Welcome to our tutorial on unleashing the full potential of your Nikon Z50's flip screen. Let's embark on a journey through various scenarios showcasing its unparalleled versatility. Vlogging. Capture engaging vlogs and video content with the Nikon Z50's flip screen. Moving landscapes. Engage the flip screen while capturing dynamic landscapes. It's beneficial to have the flip screen tilted upwards, allowing you to comfortably view the scene while adjusting your composition. Macro marvels. Explore the intricate world of macro photography with the flip screen's assistance. Urban adventures. Navigate bustling city streets and capture the essence of urban life. When exploring urban environments, having the flip screen angled towards you, utilize the touchscreen on the flip screen for seamless menu navigation, quick access to settings, and even touch-to-focus functionality for precise focusing control. With your flip screen finely tuned and touchscreen capabilities at your fingertips, you're equipped to explore limitless creative possibilities. Let your imagination soar as you capture captivating moments,